Antigen and vaccine. Antigen, a substance or organism that induces the production of an antibody. The antigen reacts with antibody. The antigen tissue proteins can cause problems in the transplant of organs by rejecting the introduction of new organ in the body. An antigen is a foreign molecule that, when introduced into the body, triggers the production of an antibody by the immune system. The immune system will then kill or neutralize the antigen that is recognized as a foreign and potentially harmful invader. These invaders can be molecules such as pollen or cells such as bacteria. The term originally came from antibody generator 1,2 and was a molecule that binds specifically to an antibody, but the term now also refers to any molecule or molecular fragment that can be bound by a major histocompatibility complex, MHC, and presented to a T-cell receptor. Self-antigens are usually tolerated by the immune system, whereas non-self-antigens are identified as invaders and attacked by the immune system. Self-antigens. Vaccine, the agent which is used to give immunity against various diseases. A vaccine consists of modified disease organisms such as live weakened viruses or dead that can induce the production of antibodies within the blood. A vaccine is a biological preparation that improves immunity to a particular disease. A vaccine typically contains an agent that resembles a disease-causing microorganism, and is often made from weakened or killed forms of the microbe or its toxins. The agent stimulates the body's immune system to recognize the agent as foreign, destroy it, and remember it, so that the immune system can more easily recognize and destroy any of these microorganisms that it later encounters. Vaccines can be prophylactic, example, to prevent or ameliorate the effects of a future infection by any natural or wild pathogen, or therapeutic, e.g. vaccines against cancer are also being investigated. See cancer vaccine. 69